Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. In the last class we have talked about the meaning of environment and environmental problems, right? So now we are going to talk about the major environmental problems. As you all know, currently we human beings are facing with various types of environmental problems, right? So among that, pollution is one of the main problem that we human beings are dealing with it in our daily life. Okay, let's talk about pollution. What is pollution? Pollution means contamination or harmful substance that get mixed in the air, water or soil, and that becomes pollution. Okay, so pollution can be divided into three types, that is land pollution, air pollution and water pollution. Okay, so let's talk about land pollution. Land pollution, land is an important element of nature, right? So land pollution take place because of chemicals. Okay, because chemicals are released by the industries, so this cause a lot of land pollution. Okay, so it can be because of the human beings also, because of the things we use in our daily life like surf, soaps, shampoo and all has also been creating land pollution. Okay, but industrial waste is one of the major reason for this land pollution. Okay, so I have written down some points. I'll just read it out those points. Okay, number one is poisonous metal. The industry which are producing the poisonous metals like zinc, lead, so the industry throw all this in the land which create land pollution. Okay, so number two is industrial waste. As you all know what is industrial waste. Industrial waste is which the things which is thrown from the industries are industrial waste. All the which is been thrown from the industry, that comes with a lot of chemicals, right, from the industry, so that cause lot of land pollution. Okay, so number three is radioactive substance. So radioactive substances can be those industry which are creating nuclear items like bombs and all. These create a lot of problems in the land. Okay, and that particular land, it cannot be used because the land is already polluted. All right, as you all know that generally this modern farming, this farming has also become very modern, and this is also one of the main reason of this land pollution, because farmers nowadays have been using many chemical things like medicines and all for this cultivating and harvesting, and this is also creating a lot of problem in the land. Okay, and number four is expanding industry. So nowadays industries have been increasing, right? So this is also causing a lot of problem in the land. Okay, so number five is deforestation. So nowadays these trees have been cutting down for the settlement of human beings, right? So more human settlement means more pollution in the land. So all these factors are leading a lot of problem in the land. Okay, and air pollution. So you know what is air pollution, like when the smokes of these cars and the smokes of the industries goes up in the atmosphere, it creates air pollution, right? Okay, when the harmful substances get mixed in the air pollution occur. Okay, natural factors like volcanic eruption, it release the like nitrogen, oxygen, which lead to pollute the atmosphere. Okay, industries which lead smoke, that also cause air pollution. So I have just talked like the industries and the industries of the smoke goes up in the air, and that cause air pollution. Okay, so we will talk about this so why this air pollution is creating, because of the human activities also. Okay, so Primarily, the human activities are responsible for polluting the atmosphere, like the growth of industries, urbanization, growth of vehicular traffic, and nuclear explosion are some of the major man-made factors that is causing air pollution. Okay, so next is water pollution. Okay, why water is getting polluted? You can see this Brahmaputra river. Why? People used to throw a lot of waste in the Brahmaputra river also, right? So because of that, water has become very dirty, and I don't think that Brahmaputra river is also fit for drinking. Okay. So water pollution, when harmful substances like microbes, radiation get mixed with water, and that makes water dirty and are not fit for drinking, that is called water pollution. Okay, so generally the water is polluted because of the human settlement, industries, agriculture, etc. Alright, so because from the industries and factories all the waste get mixed with the water, and that create water pollution. Okay, so when we talk about agriculture nowadays has become modern. So when chemical fertilizers and all spread in the soil, so because of that groundwater get polluted, and that makes water polluted. Okay, and next is desertification. So desertification and deserts are not same. Okay, so let's talk. Before going to this desertification, we'll talk about desert first. What is desert? So deserts are naturally located in certain specific areas of the world. Okay, you can also say that desert is a dry place where there is less human habitat. Okay, so desert is a very hot place where there is less rainfall, right? Desert has high range of evaporation. Okay, and desertification is a type of land degradation in dry lands. Okay, so this happens due to situation like climate change, less rainfall, evaporation increases. Okay, so vegetation become less, plants and animals started dying. So when all these factors get started in that particular area, that is creating a desert like situation. Okay, so this process is called desertification. Okay, so let's talk about what desertification creates. Okay, desertification creates global warming, right? It is an increase in the temperature in the earth because of increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Human activities, deforestation, and all this have been leading in the process of desertification. Okay, so all this global warming is one of the major factor that is leading to desertification. Okay, so number 2 is drought. Okay, so when now you know that sometimes the area must stop raining, so that area suffers like these conditions of drought. So because of no rainfall like 1 to 2 years, so this makes the soil very dry and plants started dying. It's the result of dryness in the soil, right? And these areas slowly started converting into desert. Okay, so in the last is global warming. Okay, global warming, as I have already told you in the last class also, what is global warming and why it is creating a global warming, right? So because of burning so much of these fossil fuels like plastics and all that is that goes up in the air, and that is creating a lot of global warming, right? So global warming is also one of the main problems that we human beings and living beings are facing in today's life. Okay, so let's talk about global warming. Okay, So human factors or human activities are mainly responsible for the problems of global warming. Okay, apart from carbon dioxide, we have many greenhouse gases like methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor. All these greenhouse helps in trapping the solar energy of the earth's surface. Okay, so all the content of these gases increase in the atmosphere. It creates imbalance, and as a result the problem of global warming take place. Okay, so see, this global warming just not we are not facing only, not all over the world is facing global warming. Okay, so in order to stop this global warming, the solution to stop this global warming is all over the world is facing global warming. Okay, so in order to stop this global warming, the solution to stop this global warming is would be cooperation in the part of people. Okay, so when we stop burning all these fossil fuels and all, so the global warming will also decrease. Okay, and that will stop the global warming. So thank you for today. We'll meet in the next class again. Okay, thank you.